Hey everyone, it's Tim Fox again, and I'm here to talk to you again about getting started with machine learning in Python, this video series. This is video 3, Cloning the Git Repository. The Git repository I'm referring to is right here. So if you're already familiar with how to do that, you can go ahead and skip on to video 4 after cloning this. If not, continue with this video. A little bit about me. I'm Tim Fox with Elephant Scale. I'm a consultant in scalable machine learning, data science, big data, and deep learning. I'm also an open source contributor to the Big DL deep learning framework and other open source contributions. And I do training in data science, machine learning, deep learning, and big data. All right, today we're going to clone the Git repository here, www.github.com/elephantscale/getting-started-python-ml. Sorry for this going over the edge here. I want to make it big enough so you can see it. So it's a public repo, so you don't need to log in. Just you can click on clone or download here when you get to GitHub. Now, you can download the zip file, or you can actually clone the repo. Downloading the zip file is going to be easier, but you won't be able to get any updates, so I don't recommend that. Cloning the repo will actually allow you to get updates and contribute your own. Now, where should you put the repo? I'm going to recommend that you put it in your home directory. So where is that? Well, in Windows, it's probably going to be in C://user/your name. And that your name would be, whatever you, not your real name necessarily, but your username on your computer. For Mac, /user/your username. In Linux, it will probably be home/your username. So you can put it somewhere underneath in a subdirectory or subfolder if you want, but just remember where you put it. Now, if you're able to use the command line and you have the Git command line tool already installed, just go ahead and open up a command line and then prompt and then type in git space clone space the URL here, github.com/elephantscale/getting-started-python-ml, and then that will work for you. Okay, so if you're unfamiliar with the command line, then I recommend using GitHub Desktop. You can download that going to this URL, github.com/desktop or desktop.github.com. Once you open that, then you can then clone the repo. Okay, so let's go over how to do that. So we are going to go to our GitHub repo, github.com/getting-started-python-ml. Okay, so, oops. Getting started. All right, so let's go to here. So we can click on clone or download. We can download the zip file if we want. And if we want to do that, we can just open up either Finder or Windows Explorer and unzip that the way you would normally unzip something. Okay, that's one option, but I said I would think it's better for you to go ahead and clone the repo. So to do that, I'm going to open and copy that to the desktop, to my clipboard, sorry, and then I'm going to go to, so option number 1 is to go to the command prompt. So here I am at the command prompt, and I can say git space clone space the URL. Okay, so there it is. Now, if I say go to getting started Python-ml, I can see here is the file. Okay, so now let me go ahead and remove that because I'm going to actually show how to download that using GitHub Desktop. Okay, so let's go back to my browser here, and I'm going to click on Open in Desktop. And what that will do is that will either redirect me to download GitHub Desktop if I haven't done already. So, or if I already have done that, then it'll just ask me to open GitHub Desktop. So I'm going to say Open GitHub Desktop. And then what I'm going to do here is I'm going to go here to this location, and I'm going to click on Clone a Repository. So I can click on either GitHub Enterprise or URL. I am going to click on URL. And so what I'm going to do is going to ask me where do I want it. Now, there may very well want to put it in your /documents folder. I don't recommend that. I'd like you to put it in your home directory. So you may have to modify that. So in the case here of Mac /user/your username, in my case tfox, getting started Python-ml. If you're on Windows, it's going to be something like C:// backslash, etc., 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 right? Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. I'm going to click on clone, and then you can see that it gets my particular folder here, and here it is. It says my current repository is getting started Python ML. And so now if I go into my Finder and I go to if I go there to my directory, then I should see that directory getting started Python ML as well as in my home directory. Here it is. Good. So now I have this downloaded and cloned, and I am done, and I am ready for the next step. Thank you very much.